Managing an online classroom comes with its own unique set of challenges. From keeping students engaged to ensuring lessons run smoothly, classroom management is a key to creating productive learning environments. If you want to refine your approach to keep your virtual classroom on track while managing control, boosting participation, and making the most of your teaching time, this video is for you. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Class in the Cloud, where I'll help you level up your online teaching game. I'm Simi, and today we're tackling one of the most crucial aspects of teaching, classroom management. Without the right strategies, even the best lesson plans fall apart. But don't worry, I've got 5 proven tips to help you keep your virtual classroom on track and your students engaged. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss the latest tips, hacks, and resources. And if you find this video helpful, please consider giving a super thanks. It really supports my channel. Set clear expectations. The first step to managing your online classroom effectively is to set clear expectations from the start. Define the rules, participation guidelines on the first day you meet your students, reminding them periodically. When students know what is expected of them, it creates a structured environment that is conducive to learning. It also helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures that everyone is on the same page from day one. Use the mute button. Next up, let's talk about controlling noise, literally. We've all had that scenario where one student in the group lesson has a super noisy background, or a parent that is prompting loudly in the background. Meet the mute button, your new best friend when it comes to minimizing distractions in your online classroom. As a general rule of thumb, in group lessons, when students aren't speaking, keep them muted to avoid background noise that can disrupt the lesson. Or when one student is speaking, mute the others. It's a simple hack, but makes a huge difference in maintaining a focused and calm learning environment. Monitor student engagement. Monitoring student engagement is key to a successful lesson. Keep an eye out for signs of distraction or disengagement. Students looking down, reluctant to participate, cameras switched off, or they just seem unfocused in general. These are signs that it's time to switch things up. Ask a direct question, change the activity, play a game, introduce something new to re-engage your students. Staying alert to engagement levels ensures higher participation and keeps students on track throughout the lesson. Encourage participation. The next tip goes hand in hand with the previous point. Participation and interaction is the lifeblood of any lesson. In an online setting, it's even more crucial to actively engage all your students. Use breakout rooms for small discussions or collaborative activities to ensure everyone has a chance to contribute. You can also use polls and quizzes, interactive tools like a small blackboard or random picker to keep the energy high. The more your students participate, the more likely they are to learn, and the more fun they'll have in the process. Manage your time wisely. Finally, let's talk about time management. Sticking to your lesson plan and managing your time effectively is crucial in any classroom. Use timers for activities and set clear time limits to keep the class moving forward. This way, you ensure that you cover all necessary content without running over time or leaving anything out, or even worse, finishing early. Efficient time management not only helps you stay on track, but also keeps your students focused and engaged. So there you have it, 5 tips for mastering classroom management in your online English lessons. Setting clear expectations, using the mute button, monitoring engagement, encouraging participation, and managing your time wisely will help you create a structured, engaged, and effective learning environment. If you find these tips helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Class in the Cloud. for more great content. And if you'd like to support my channel, you can hit that super thanks. All donations go towards creating more exciting content. Thanks for watching. I am Sumi. This is Class in the Cloud. See you next time. Bye.